This is the LAS. I'm sure you can tell the difference. I'm completely covered in red. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking it out. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification button to get updates on when new videos come out. Today, I'm doing a really exciting video. I've been reaching out to this company now for probably 5 or 6 months. Finally, they reached back. It's a company called LASFIT. And if you haven't heard of this company, you will. This company has taken over the LED light game. The products they make are unbelievable. So they were nice enough to send me a pair. I had to pay for some shipping, but almost, almost a sponsorship. I'm gonna call it almost a sponsorship. Partnership. And they were able to send me the third brake light LED kit for my 2016 F150. It's the third brake light and the cargo light. So I'm gonna put those on, and as you see in the title of the video, it's gonna be a comparison. Right now I have the F150 LEDs, and I'm gonna compare them to the LASFIT LEDs. It's not gonna be a fair fight. I mean, these lights they're almost overkill. It's a good thing, right? You want a product that is above and beyond. So let's get to it, and we'll start with a close-up comparison of the F150 LEDs versus the LASFIT LEDs, and then we'll get into the install. All right, so let's go over the specs of this LED light real quick. It has the 3030 SMD LED chip. It is non-polarity, built-in mini fuse, 1400 lumens, 6000 xenon white light, and it has the CAN bus LED light system. I have no idea what any of that means. I'm kidding. I know what some of that means. So the 3030 SMD LED chip, I think that is just a bigger version of what you would typically see on an LED light. It's just a larger LED, so you're going to get obviously a little brighter light. The non-polarity means that it's plug and play. So like comparing to the F150 LED, there's a chance that you could plug that in, install it, turn the light on, and it wouldn't work. You'd have to swap it out, rotate it 180 degrees, plug it back in, and then it would work, which is kind of a pain. Comes with the mini fuse, 1400 lumens. Just it's bright. That's what that means to me. It's very bright. And I looked up the CAN bus. The CAN bus system is kind of what I talked about with the. It kind of works as a mini fuse. Well, not really, but it basically disperses the electricity evenly. And it allows it to last a little longer. If the electricity in your vehicle is not, they describe it as erratic. If the electricity is erratic, the light bulb has like a chip in it that allows the proper amount of electricity to go into the bulb without burning out. So needless to say, this bulb is crazy. All right, so here's a close-up of the two. LASFIT on the left looks like Elon Musk designed it and they just pulled it off of a spaceship somewhere. The F150 LED on the right looks like maybe it came out of a cereal box. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I'm hating on F150 LEDs. I actually like them. They're a good company, and they make good stuff, but when compared to LASFIT, there's really no competition. Here's another close-up of the two right next to each other. You can see just the design quality is different. F150 LED is kind of made with like a cardboard substance, and the LASFIT on the right is some kind of a metal, and it has some weight to it. It feels substantial. So now price-wise, they're the exact same, $31.99, and with the LASFIT LED, you get an extra brake light. So again, no competition there. You're getting a better product for the exact same amount, and yeah, it's a no-brainer for me. So with that, let's get to the install. All right, let's go over what tools you're gonna need for the job. Today it's gonna be real simple. just gonna be a hex bolt and a drill, or you can just put this on a like a regular screwdriver. That works too. This is just gonna make things a little quicker. So this kind of just drops down nice and easy. There's plenty of slack right here, so you don't have to worry about pulling anything. So right now, these are all F150 LEDs. What I'm gonna do for the comparison is I'm going to take out this right here, the right side, and put a LASFIT LED in there. And then I'm going to compare the brightness of the two. They're actually like heavy. There's some substance to them. All right, moment of truth. We have LASFIT on the right and F150 LEDs on the left. Yeah, it's not even close. It's kind of hard to tell in the video. At least it looks like it looking through the screen here, but the LASFIT light is so bright. It's a really, really bright white color. And then if you look over here at the F150 LED, I used to think it looked white, but now it kind of looks yellow. Turn these back on again. Yeah, I mean, compared, you can see it. You can see it better now. Compared to the LASFIT, it looks yellow. I mean, this light is unreal. Like I said before, just the quality, they're gonna take over the LED game for sure. All right, so now I'm just giving you a comparison. This is the F150 LED brake light, the third brake light. We already compared the cargo lights. So this is the F150 LED, and now we'll cut to the LAS LED so you can compare. This is the LAS. I'm sure you can tell the difference. I'm completely covered in red. It's crazy, crazy bright. Pretty big difference there. But you guys decide for yourselves. What do you think? Leave a message in the comments and let me know if you can tell the difference and if you've ever used LAS. All right, now it's a little darker. It's hard to see on film here, but this is the LASFIT. Super, super bright white light. This is F150 LED. Pretty big difference there. All right, guys, so here's the finished product. These are insanely bright. It doesn't really translate on video how bright they are. Super, super bright, and by far the best LEDs I've ever had on a vehicle. So definitely check them out. LASFIT, taking over. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, these are too bright to even do a outro on, so I'm gonna go over here. But yeah, they're awesome. I'm ecstatic. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. If you liked the video, hit the like button for me. That will put me on top of all those big YouTubers so other people can check out the channel and check out the videos. Take care. See you next time.